Hi guys, and welcome to week 3. This week you guys are required to do a group project and you will be creating a brochure. Brochures are really great because it gives the reader insight into a specific topic, or in your case you're going to be discussing a safety concern, and then you have some graphics and some text to support what you're talking about. So if you scroll down on this page, you're going to see your group members. So just take a look at the group numbers and then you'll find your name next to it as well as your group members. It is going to be your responsibility for connecting with the individuals in your group, and I have put a group shared box below so you guys can connect with the other members of your group a little bit more easily. So I'll show you that in just a minute. Make sure that your brochure includes all of the following here. You can read through that, and I've also included a rubric below so that you guys know exactly what the expectations for this assignment is. Right here you can also find some of the sites that are really nice for using brochures and creating brochures. I really prefer the flipping book. It allows you to send your brochure link through email to the entire group, and they can edit back and forth, and it'll automatically save and you don't have to resend it. So it's kind of like a Google Docs and everybody can work on it at the same time. However, I put a couple of other there as well, or you can feel free to find your own online. Just make sure that you reference it at the bottom. Your group assignment is due Sunday at 11:59 p.m., which is the end of week 3, and submit it to the share folder below. I've also included some brochure examples, so if you click on the tab here, you will see some good examples of what's expected for the project. Here is your rubric. You can read through that. And then down here is where you will submit your group project. So of course it's probably going to be a file, so you can click on the file. And then if you wanted to go into your group space, you're going to click on your food safety group project study group. And once the page loads, you'll see each individual group name and your discussion board. So if you're in group 1, you're going to do your discussion here, and if you're in group 2, 3, 4, etc. What you'll do is you'll just comment, and then the comments will start to filter out below, and then you can comment back and forth with each other. Feel free to use your own Google Drive or Google Docs to also create a communication tab if you feel like that's necessary. And then again, if you have any other questions, you can feel free to email me, or we could set up a video conference for your entire group. Just sign up on the Google Share page in the home page. Alright guys, good luck, and let me know how I can help.